more thing.
You are a toy car!
You are a sad, strange little wagon, and you have my pity. Farewell.
Oh, yeah? Well, good riddance, you loony.
Yeah, I hate to break up the road rally, guys, but they're here! Birthday guests at 3 o'clock! Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that biggie truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
We're banished, genius, stuck out here in this wasteland without chains.
But Ike, the Boomobile's in trouble. She needs our help.
You're still not listening.
Welcome to the Himalayas!
Snowcoat?
Oh, that abominable snowplow is quite the comic thespian.
Just get in there. Go, 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 go. Circus cars! How can you be circus cars?
These are the lousiest circus cars in the world, and they're gonna make me rich! Wait a minute here. They're just using the same actor over and over. What kind of a cut-rate production is this?